Did you know numbers can be even or odd? But how do we know which numbers are even and which ones are odd? That's what we are going to learn today. An easy trick to identify even numbers and odd numbers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Maths with Namita. So we'll start with even numbers first. Even number is a number which can be divided into two equal groups with nothing left over. Alright, let us understand it with an example. So here we have 6 chocolates and we want to divide them into two equal groups. Is it possible? Well, I think so, right? Here we have made two groups and both the groups have equal number of chocolates. So we can say 6 is an even number. We can see two equal groups are made here and nothing is left over. So 6 is an even number. Now think about 10. Can you make two equal groups from 10? You may have 10 cookies, 10 pencils or 10 crayons, right? So yes, we can make two groups of 5 units each, right? So 10 is also an even number, correct? So you can have a look at it and you can just read it, okay? An even number can be divided into two equal groups with nothing left over, okay? If you are saying that two equal groups are there, that means there is nothing left behind, right? And if a number is divided by 2, like if you're dividing a number by 2 and you get remainder 0, that also implies that the number is even, right? Now, let's suppose instead of 6, we have 7 chocolates and we want to do the same thing. Means we want to make two equal groups. So, is it possible here in this case? Not really, right? Why? Let's try. If I make this group as 1, it has 4 chocolates, it has 3, right? Now, if I keep 5 chocolates in one, then other group has 2 chocolate, right? Similarly, you can have 6 chocolates in one group and 1 chocolate in another group. So all the groups are unequal here, right? And if you make two groups of 3 each, then one will be left behind, right? Let's see what we did in previous example. We made groups like this, 3 and 3, but then this one is left over. So of course it is not possible to divide 7 into two equal groups, right? So this is what is odd number all about, okay? All right, so here, have a look at it, read it, okay? So an odd number cannot be divided into two equal groups. And like if you have a number and you are dividing it by 2 and you get remainder 1, it is very clear that that number is an odd number. All right. Now let's come to an easy trick. Okay. A very easy trick, and you don't have to use long division method, or you don't have to visualize and make two equal groups on your notebook, right? So the trick says that all the even numbers will end in 0 or 2 or 4, 6 or 8. Okay. So any number that you see has the rightmost digit as 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, either one of these, that number is undoubtedly even number. And if you have a number which ends in 1, 3, 5 or 7 or 9, then that number is an odd number. You don't have to do any kind of calculation or division. Just by looking at the number, you can identify. Okay, let's try some examples together. Okay, let's suppose we have 197. It ends with 7, which means this is odd number. Okay, let's suppose 586. It ends with 6. So this is even number. Okay. So try random numbers. Okay, choose any random number, look at the rightmost digit and identify whether it is even or odd. Okay, it is real fun. In real life also, if you see, we have pair of shoes, pair of socks. Okay, number of players in a particular sport in both the teams will always be equal. So if there are 11 players in one team, there will be 11 players in the other team also. If we have 8 players in one team, team A, then 8 players will be there in team B also, right? So what we have learned today, we learned what are even numbers, what are odd numbers, and how to identify even numbers and odd numbers quickly. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Do share this video with your friends. Thank you.